Welcome to Study Loop.
Ionic compounds are formed by the elements of a metal and a non-metal, and so what we have is very strong electrostatic attraction between the cation and the anion that are present within this ionic compound, and so therefore we find that they have a very high melting point and a high boiling point. On the other hand, we can take a look at molecular compounds. So these are formed by the elements of non-metals, and so the intermolecular attractions in molecular compounds are less than that of the ionic compounds. And so therefore they generally tend to exist as gases or liquids at room temperature, and so their melting and boiling points are lower. So here we have two diagrams of diagram I, diagram II. So in this first diagram, what you can see is that we have atoms that are tightly packed, or ions that are tightly packed, and so the particles in the solid are arranged in order. So the compound is a solid in this state because of the strong intermolecular forces, so therefore this is an ionic compound. Alternatively, with the second diagram, that looks something similar to what I've drawn on the screen. The particles move freely within the container, and so therefore we can conclude that the compound is in a gaseous state, and so we have reduced intermolecular attractions, and so here we have a molecular compound.